Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a green primer. Yes, I said that right. And why is it green? Because green is supposed to cancel out red. You guys have seen me without makeup for many years. I have extremely red skin. Strawberry in the corner of the nose, yada, yada, yada. Well, does this actually cancel out the red? Is this actually worth your money and a good primer? Let me go ahead and read what it says on here.
This is the Maybelline Master Primer by Face Studio. It is a primer plus base. It blurs plus redness control in color 300, which is color green. So
let's go ahead and just jump to that video and see, is this worth your money or not? Okay guys, so I'm very, very red. I have a breakout going on right here in my face. You guys can see right there, red. I have my strawberry on the side of my nose. This is something I was born with, just that rose red, that red vein. You can see the redness in my cheeks. So let's go ahead and try it right now. Put it on the hand so you guys can see. Yeah, that is actually green. It's like a lime green if you look at it. Maybe it looks white on film, but it is a lime green. So let's go ahead and see if it instantly just blurs out the redness. I'll do this side of my face so we can see. Okay guys, so if you look really, really close, you can see, yes, my nose is still red, but did it take down some of the redness? Yes, because you can see this line right here of how it's like more fair, less red, and more red. Is an extreme difference? No, but it did calm the redness down. So this is a great indication that the red is no longer so vivid like it was. Now I looked really close. It does blur. It almost looks like it fills in my pores on my nose. Okay, so I only did half of my face with the foundation. I do have to say that the primer alone looks fantastic. It does fill in the pores. It says a blur plus redness primer. Yes, it does fill in the pores. I know it's supposed to, they say blur, but I would actually consider this a pore filling primer. It looks so good on the skin. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up and show you guys at the end what it looks like. Okay guys, so my makeup is completely finished. Like I said, I put it against my holy grail of foundations. So if it comes off, that means that this primer totally sucks. My foundation comes off, but I think it looks so, so good. I didn't put anything like any contour in my nose. You can see that you can see that you really can't see my strawberry in the corner of the nose. I am not peeking through redness. The primer actually looks like it's a pretty darn decent primer. So I will check in later on today and let you guys know if this makeup broke up or it stayed down. I'm gonna be doing check-ins throughout this video once again and let you guys know, is this worth your money or not? I'll see you guys in a bit. Again? Yeah. Okay guys, we're in the hallway at the movie theater. So Karen's gonna go ahead and look at the foundation close up in the daylight and tell me, what do you think? I don't know why I'm closing my eyes.
I like it, I actually do.
It's all in place.
Yes.
Wonderful. Okay guys, so I'm gonna say that I think this is a really good primer. It didn't fill in my pores as much as some other primers do, but it did fill in my pores. But it's in 7 hours later, I've just patted it down twice and my makeup is all still in place. So I'm gonna say that this is a pretty darn good primer. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie, I'm out, bye.